Alright, so what we're gonna do, swap out this third brake light for this one. Should be a direct plug and play. So what you're gonna wanna do is get your Phillips screwdriver and just undo both the screws. Alright, now once you've done that, just gotta gently pop it out. And if you were gonna replace the bulbs, this would be the time to do it. Just right there, just twist. Sorry, trying to do this one hand. They twist, they pop out. But for my sake, I'm gonna undo this clip. Alright, now that that's out, come through, take the new one, line it up. Again, trying to do this with one hand. Alright, now it's in. And some of your aftermarket ones, I don't know if you get like a stock replacement, but they have this foam that's got some stick on the other side. Just go ahead and get it all the way around so that way you've got a good seal, so that way you ain't getting water in your cab. And then you're gonna put all these wires in here, line it up, and put your screws in. Alright, yeah, you get them nice and tight. Make sure it's all up against the edge there. Should be good. And now you've got functional light.